What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode, and today we're cooking more Filipino food. Today I'm cooking up chicken curry, Filipino style. I've had this before. My wife's had it. Actually, my wife's friend's mom has made it, and so I thought I'd decide why not just cook it. So that's what we're gonna do today: chicken curry, Filipino style. So stay tuned. All right, first things first, guys. Oil. Get some oil in there. A lot of garlic. Garlic. I like garlic. Ginger. Onions. Next up, guys, curry powder. Two tablespoons curry powder. Half a cup of water. Chicken, guys. You can do up to like a pound of chicken. I have these chicken tenders, so I'm just gonna dump in my chicken tenders. I'm actually going to cut those up. Should have cut them prior, but wasn't thinking. Add 1 cup coconut milk. Now you could use like a whole chicken and get it cut up, but I'm just, like I said, I'm just using the tenders because it's what I have right now. That's what I use for my meals, so I have these tenders here, and I don't want to overcook them, so I'm gonna let them sit here and kind of simmer in the sauce and kind of cook from there. That way they're not tough, they don't overcook. Cover it up and simmer for about 7 minutes. While that is simmering, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, my hair is blonde, kinda. It's like a little more on the orange side, so it's like an orangey, I don't know. It's not a full like white blonde, like a blonde, which is what I'm going for. I've done it twice now. My hair is just so dark and it's just so hard to get it through. So I'm gonna have to do it one more time to get it to that platinum blonde, I guess. Cause yeah, I'm trying to look like my best friend right here, Pepper. So he's like a light blonde. So that's what I'm trying to get at, and that's what we'll get to. I just gotta do it one more time, and yeah, should get there. We'll see. About 7 minutes in, pretty good. Add in potatoes, carrots, and first. Add some pepper, salt. Now you can add fish sauce, but my daughter is allergic to seafood, so she cannot have fish sauce, and so that's a no-no. Just get this to a nice boil. to a boil, and then the chicken tenders are already pretty much cooked. They're nice and tender. I don't want to overcook them, but I do want to reduce this curry down so it's a little more, it's thicker. So I got that to a boil. Alright, time to cover it up. Reduce the heat to medium, and then let that sit for another, timer for another 7 minutes. So it's been about 7 minutes, a little bit over 7 minutes, and that's about it, dude. That's done. Chicken is tender. Oh, it smells spicy. That's it, guys. All done. There you go. Let me grab a good portion right there. There it is, guys. Chicken curry, Filipino style. Ooh, that looks good. Alright guys, again, that's it. That is my take on chicken curry Filipino style. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll list the ingredients down below, and then you can give it a try and let me know if you like it too. This one, like the curry I got, is a little spicy. It's super spicy. I tasted it earlier while I was cooking, and it's pretty spicy, so yeah, I like it. But yep, that's it guys. Again, thanks for watching. If you like that, please hit that like button, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos, more content with cooking, and yeah, we're gonna do other contents again. Like, I don't know, it's kind of hard to do workout videos at home, but I'm gonna give it a try. I mean, all the gyms are closed pretty much still, so yeah. Alright guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, I'm outies. Peace.